The Lamborghini FENomeno V12 stands like a beast unleashed, its chrome rustic yellow body reflecting every light in the showroom. A full 360 sweep reveals the wide body stance, razor-sharp lines, and sculpted aerodynamics that make this machine a moving piece of art. Every curve, every vent, every shadow tells the story of speed and dominance. This is not just a supercar. This is power made physical. From the front three-quarter angle, the FENomeno V12 stares you down like a predator. The aggressive splitter, the wide track, and the piercing headlights demand attention. Chrome yellow reflections ripple across the hood, emphasizing its muscular form. It looks fast standing still, a machine built to devour the road. As we move to the rear three-quarter view, the design becomes even more menacing. The wide diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and sculpted tail speak the language of performance. The chrome rustic yellow finish glows under the showroom lights, showing off every edge and every curve. This is the view most cars will see, as it leaves them behind. Inside the cockpit, the FENomeno V12 feels like stepping into the future. Carbon fiber panels, Alcantara seats, and glowing LED accents wrap around the driver in perfect symmetry. The steering wheel is a command center, the digital cluster alive with data, a place where luxury and race engineering meet. From the passenger side, the details are just as breathtaking. The center console gleams with precision controls, carbon fiber everywhere, switches and dials reminiscent of an aircraft cockpit. Yellow accents catch the light, giving the cabin a warm glow. Pure Lamborghini drama. Beneath the glass, the V12 engine is a masterpiece of engineering. Chrome pipes, carbon fiber braces, and intricate details create a symphony of mechanical perfection. Every component seems to pulse with potential power, waiting to roar to life. From above, the V12 layout is pure symmetry. The polished intake manifolds, heat shields, and chrome reflections create a mechanical artwork. This is where horsepower lives, where performance is born. A close look at the front wheel shows monstrous performance hardware. Massive carbon ceramic discs, bright yellow calipers with the Lamborghini crest, and ultra-wide tires ready to grip the road. Precision and aggression in one frame. The headlights are a design statement. Razor-sharp LED lines glowing like the eyes of a predator. They cut through the dark with precision, reflecting in the chrome yellow paint for a dramatic look. At the back, the taillights blaze with sharp red light, a futuristic pattern that could only belong to Lamborghini. Set against the chrome yellow body, they create a signature look as the car disappears into the night.